The iPhone SE, the special edition mobile is here. So let's unbox this now. So this is the red color classic premium with a 64 GB storage and this iPhone. So the MRP price is 42,500, but I have bought through the festive season offer for around 21,000. And so let's open the box. So yeah, there is an apple fragrance, so I can smell it with the classic premium red. So these are the papers, which are terms and conditions and the instructions and how to operate the mobile with the SIM ejector. So this is the phone with a home button, very premium, good looking, with one eye camera and a flash, the handy, the small and good. The small change that previously the Apple symbol is used to be at the aggressive top, it means the down of the camera, but now it has changed to the middle portion of the mobile. So this is the charging cable with the USB port and lightning. So the earphones, okay, the small charger is completed. So this is premium red. Okay, you can see the good finishing with the mirror finishing on the symbol, on the logo. So this, let's unbox, let's open this, let's do it. Okay, the next thing is,
hey there, subscribe to my channel and also press this bell
the
icon.
speakers with the charging port down here, you can see there. Okay, I'll just focus it on that. And this, the stylish premium red with the Apple design over there, is very catchy and attractive. And I'll just power on this. So the mic with the home button and dual speakers with, I think, 5 holes. Okay, it's over. Here is the logo. Okay, so one thing I wanna give clarity that this is an unboxing channel. So I received the comment that there is no detailed information. I have kept in the description also that the unbox is only it meant to be unboxed. I'll just unbox the product and I will show to you. Maximum I'll try to give some of the details of it. So here is this about the special edition. I'll power off. So the setup is over. I hope you like the video. Just like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So this is Sree signing off. Bye and thank you.
Here we go.